stickers. Hey everybody! Today we have a new toy to play. It's a Ford Mustang do-it-yourself car kit or assembly line car kit. So now we plan to be an assembly line worker and assemble the Ford Mustang. We're gonna open the box and show you what's inside. So this is all the parts and pieces of this Ford Mustang car. This is the interior, and that's the body frame inside it, and there's the instructions, and we have a screwdriver here, and I think that's the bottom part, and those are the tires. So we're gonna open this and see the parts. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put in the engine of the car. Like in real, I guess with real cars, you have to put in the engine first too. I'm gonna put it here. Okay, there you go. That's the engine. Now we're gonna put in the side mirrors. Side mirrors. This one. Okay, there we go. The other side. To put it like this. There you go. Two side mirrors done. Now we'll go to the windshield. Okay, put it here and then snap it. So next is the inside of the door. So this one. Okay, there you go. There you go. Next, we're gonna turn this around, and then we have to do this. This is the inside, the dashboard. So we're gonna put in the steering wheel. And then there you go. Steering wheel done, dashboard done. We're gonna do the inside of the car. Gonna put it here. Snap it. There we go. There we go. It was the wrong way. Okay. Right there. Now we're gonna put in the wheels. So we have two sets to choose from. We have this set and then this silver set. Here you go, like this. Okay, put it like okay, there you go. Oh no, that's actually this one's the back. The rear bumper. There you go. This is the front bumper and the back. And now finishing touches, the stickers. So we have these stickers. It's for the mirror. There you go. That's our Ford Mustang. I'll just show you. This is the engine. Close it. Let me see the inside. Close. Driver side. So there you go everyone. I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time. Bye! Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today what I have for you is 2014 Corvette Stingray. So first, I'm just showing you the box. Here's the side, and here's the back. So we're gonna unbox it and show you what's inside of it. And so here we go. I took the liberty of removing the box so that we can see it better. So as you know, this is the ratio is 1:24. That's the size of the die cast. This is the front view. Look at that. Looks so good. This is side, passenger view side. It's the back. And this is the driver's side. So as you see, you can open the door. It's cool. Look at those details. So nice. Let's see if we can open the front. Guess not. We don't want to damage it too. Runs so smooth. I guess it's like the real. But you can see there's the details inside, the seat, and all these blades, steering wheel. Really nice. And the undersides. So there you go. This is the Corvette Stingray 2014. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and comment on what you want to see next. Hello everyone, we're back with a new car diecast. So this is a gorgeous 2017 Corvette Grand Sport, and it has a ratio of 1:24. Now we're gonna unbox it. So we're gonna unscrew it from here. remove the screw and also cut this. We're also gonna cut this plastic. I have removed the screw from the box and also cut the plastic. So now we're gonna do a 360 view of this car. This is a gorgeous looking car. Now we're gonna check the interior of the car inside. So we're gonna open this on the passenger side. Gonna close it. Gonna check the other side, the driver's seat. Test the gonna close it. So I'm thinking this is the where you put the gas. This is the top view of the car. We're also gonna check inside of the hood. Gonna check the wheels. Look at those wheels. This is the back. Passenger side of the wheels. Other wheels. Those are the headlights. So there you go everyone, that's the 2017 Corvette. Let me know what you like about it. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and also hit like and tell me what you like about it or don't like about it, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Hey everyone, welcome back. What I have for you today is 2014 Ford Mustang Street Racer diecast. So it's a ratio of 1 to 24. When the package was delivered, there was a damage on the box. Not too happy about it, but we'll just make the best out of it. And at least the diecast itself, there's no damage on it. So we're gonna open it and I'll show you the inside and out of it. So here you go guys, I've unboxed the Mustang. I've also removed all the plastics and the screws. Look at this, isn't it a beauty? So let's see it up close. The side. In the front, then the passenger side, the back, then the top. It also has those stripes, so nice. This is the bottom. We're gonna see, I think we can open the front part. The inside. Passenger side. Mustang. There you go. There's a little bit of defect here, but it's all good. Still looks good for my collection. So this is the 2014 Ford Mustang silver gray with blue stripes. Isn't it a beauty, guys? If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, what I have for you today are two special editions of this one is Bugatti Divo, and the other one is Ferrari FXXK. So we're gonna unbox them and see what they can do. So this is the Bugatti Divo. So the ratio is 1:18. As you can see, look how big is it. This is my hand, and that's the size of the car. That car. So we're gonna look at the side of the box. This is the brand, and the back is just the description, what it's made of. So we're gonna open it. So I have removed the box and also the screw that's attached to the plastic on the box. See? So it can open the door. Looks so nice. Looks made of good quality. Looks made of metal, not just plastic. You can also open the door here. So this is from the top view. Side. This is the front. You can see the logo, Bugatti. And the other side, the driver side, and the bottom. So this is where the screws were. Let's see if we can open the hood. Apparently not. So it's only the doors that can open. This is really nice, guys. Look at that. Look at the details. The seat, the steering wheel. I wonder if it can move. It's so big and heavy. Look at this. This is my hands. Look at that. Look at this. So we're gonna open the other one. We're gonna set this aside. So we're gonna open this one now. This is Ferrari FXXK. So I'm gonna show you the box first. So it's also the ratio of 1:18. That's the brand. This is also special. So this is the back, just the material composition of the toy collection. Okay, so we're gonna remove it from the box. So when you remove it from the box, it's in this plastic thing, and underneath it there's a screw. There's two screws So if you have a desk, if you're collecting it, then just put it on the desk like this and just remove all this plastic. That way you can put the name, see the name, and it looks nice. But anyway, for our purposes, we're gonna remove the screws too. So here we go, guys. I removed the box and the plastic and all those tapes. So this is the driver's side. This is the front. Look at that. Look at those details. This is the passenger side. This is the back. There's the logo. Muffler. The wheels. This is the bottom. So we're gonna open the door. Whoa! Look at that. Gonna open the other side too. Look at those side mirror. It's like a mirror. This is really nice, guys. You can also open the back. You can see the turbo, well, replica of the turbo and the electronics. I think we're gonna open the front from this one. Oh, look at that. And open the front. So that's the engine, and there's like maybe cooler, intercooler fan. The wheels just drive smoothly. This is rubber. The wheels are rubber. And it even has like a suspension on it. Wow. So nice. There you have it. This is the Ferrari FXXK, and this is the Bugatti Divo. So there you go, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Mo Playhouse Adventure. And if you like this video, please hit on the like button, and see you on the next video. Bye.